Hello and welcome. In this tutorial we're looking at the desktop version of the WHS Self Audits module. This module is a gap analysis tool to help you review all aspects of your WHS management processes and identify areas within the workplace that need improvement to meet WHS compliance. Like all system modules, the access and inclusions visible in this module vary according to individual user access levels, which are controlled within the user management module. However, for the purpose of this tutorial, we're seeing everything as a workplace administrator would see it. This module features the same fundamental layout as all system modules. Below the module name and icon are the main controls. In this case, a link back to the workplace homepage, the option to add a new record via the plus icon, and the option to export all data from the module in a CSV file. To the right are the module help notes and a link to this video tutorial. And below is the module list view. The controls at the top of the list and in the column headings allow you to search, filter and sort the list according to the date created, the self-audit reference number, which is automatically generated by the system. And the small export icon at the far right of the search and filter tools allows you to export the records that display after filtering. Mousing over the Actions icon displays the various options for managing existing records in the module. Or to add a new record, select the plus icon, which displays the WHS Self Audit form. Selecting the up icon at the top of the form returns to the list view, but doesn't save the record. The first two form fields, the date created and the author, are pre-populated. The form is then broken up into various sections. Each section contains a series of questions. As outlined in the help information at the top of the form, every question requires a response of yes, no, or not applicable, NA. Regardless of the option, the system allows entry of notes related to each question for future reference. However, if a no response is selected, the related comments field is compulsory, and the notes entered into the comments field are then used as the description for the related task that the system will automatically generate when the form is saved. Note that each section of the form contains fixed questions followed by optional free questions that can be populated as required. If you don't enter any information into these free questions, you can leave the response set to no, which is not compulsory, and it won't generate any related tasks. However, if you do enter details into a free question field and then select a no response, a comment is required and a task will be generated. The system will alert you when saving the record if any related tasks have been created. Once a record's been saved, it can no longer be edited, but selecting the relevant option that displays when you mouse over the Actions icon in the list view allows you to view or export any existing record. And that concludes this tutorial. For more information, please refer to the module help box at any time. Thanks for watching.